In industries such as HVAC, automotive manufacturing, and home appliances, the protrusion forming of aluminum tube ends is a critical process. It not only affects assembly sealing, but also relates to the long-term reliability of the product. BOBO aluminum tube end protrusion machine, using high-strength molds and a stable drive system, ensures the accuracy and consistency of each forming process. The simple operation panel makes production easy and reliable. Simply place the pipe into the workstation, and the machine will accurately position and clamp it, reducing human error and making production more efficient. During the forming process, the ends of the aluminum tubes are subjected to uniform force, enabling the protrusion process to be completed quickly. Even in mass production, stable, high-quality output can be maintained. Intelligent workstation switching design allows multiple processes to be completed on the same equipment. This reduces equipment footprint and changeover time, improving overall production line efficiency. Intelligentization is the trend of the future. Through remote control via mobile phone, you can monitor production in real time, adjust parameters remotely, and truly achieve smart factory management. The finished products are neat and uniform, fully complying with international standards. They can be perfectly applied to HVAC copper aluminum connections, automotive piping, and home appliance heat exchangers. BOBO, specializing in pipe processing equipment for 30 years, serves customers in more than 80 countries around the world. Our aluminum pipe end bulging machine, with its precise, efficient, and intelligent performance, helps upgrade your production line. BOBO, making manufacturing easier.